High protein breakfast is very important to start with to curb your cravings throughout the day. And this one is easy to make, no skills required, and it is packed with low-calorie protein that will keep you full for a while. And you can make it ahead of time and grab it on the go. Start with preheating the pan on low heat. I'm going to need turkey bacon, low-calorie cheese. This one is about 60 calories per slice with 5 grams of protein. Egg whites, they are great low-calorie, high-protein filler. And 6 large eggs. I am going to use 3 slices of cheese, dice them up. You can also shred any cheese you like. I have 4 slices of turkey bacon, 45 calories and 6 grams of protein per each. Into a large bowl, crack 6 eggs. I'm going to weigh 9 ounces of egg whites. I like using them to boost my protein without adding too many calories. This is a great hack. Salt and pepper to taste, and whisk it. And now I'm going to add cottage cheese. And also 9 ounces, just like the egg whites. Add the diced cheese and turkey and combine. That's it. That's all the prep we have. We are ready to pour it into a preheated, coat it with 5 grams of butter, 1/3 of a tablespoon, pan. You can also use a baking dish and place it into a preheated oven right away. And pour everything right away. I am going to cover it and let it set, and then finish it in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, a touch test. It looks a little bit too soft. And a few minutes later, I'm checking it with a toothpick, making sure it's dry, and it looks pretty dry. So that means the eggs are set. So it's time to remove the pan from the oven. Just making sure it is done. Don't want to have any raw eggs. Making sure it is not sticking to any sides of the pan. You can never be too careful. I will be flipping it upside down, so I want to make sure that there is no mess. And a moment of truth. Came out perfectly. A bit too brown on the top. I think I know why. Lack of patience made me crank up the heat too much at the beginning. Not once, but twice. So don't do that. Make sure it stays with a low heat at all times. If you divide it into 4 pieces, which what I'm gonna do, each has 308 calories and 33 grams of protein. Next time you need to grab something quick, this is a great option. It will keep you full for longer and help you fight cravings throughout the day. And not to mention, it's extremely easy to make. You can store it in the fridge for later. It's really a great idea. You can even have it for lunch. If you stayed till the end, you might want to check out this video next.